Well, hello, my name is Brett Hirsch, and I'm an instructor for OvernightAccountant.com. Did you know that in the United States there are over 330,000 community associations? Did you also know that 93% of these community associations are either homeowner or condo associations, meaning HOAs? Furthermore, did you know that these HOAs are comprised of over 26 million housing units in the United States, and that 68 million residents live in these houses? So 68 million residents across the United States are governed one way or another by an HOA. Did you also know that all these HOAs have one thing in common? And what is that? Every single HOA in the United States must file a tax return of one sort or another. And there are basically three types of returns that your HOA will have to file, at least one of those three types. And what are the three types? The first one is going to be Form 990. That is for exempt organizations. This is very rare, a lot more rare than most people think, because you must apply and have IRS approval to be a nonprofit recognized by the IRS. So you must apply and have approval to be a nonprofit or tax-exempt organization. Unfortunately, however, many HOAs believe that they are exempt from filing a tax return or from paying taxes when in fact they are not. The other type of tax return an HOA may be required to file, if it's not a nonprofit or an exempt organization, is Form 1120, and that is a corporate tax return. Form 1120 treats your HOA as a business, and preparing this return can be quite complicated and expensive to hire a professional to prepare this return. Fortunately, the third type of return an HOA may have to file is Form 1120H, and this is a tax return specially designed for homeowners associations. The HOAs file it by making an election to file this form, but you have to qualify to be able to file this return. You must be considered an HOA by IRS definition. The vast majority, however, of HOAs in the United States qualify to file this return. The good news is this form is relatively simple to complete for most HOAs. So simple, in fact, that we've created an Overnight Accountant. We've created a Form 1120H Basics course, and we've designed this course to help most HOAs in the United States prepare their own tax return. You'll be paying a single fee to purchase this course rather than, or compare that to paying a professional year after year to prepare this return for you. So that's a good deal. Now, is the 1120H course Basics course for your HOA? I ask you a couple questions here. Is your HOA's only income from dues and assessments paid by owners and interest on savings or CDs that your HOA has set back on funds your HOA has set back for, say, savings or for repair and replacement of property, say roads and that sort of thing? So is that your only source of income for your HOA? If you answered yes to that and yes to this next question, you can use this course to help you prepare your Form 1120H. Next question. Are all of your HOA expenses for management and maintenance of common areas for your homeowners association's membership? If you answered yes to those two questions, you can take this course and it'll help you file your own 1120H. So what will you learn in this course? You're going to learn the definition of an HOA according to the IRS. You're going to learn the brief evolution of HOA taxation in the United States. However, the most important part of this course is you are going to learn how to complete your own Form 1120H for your HOA. You're going to learn how to file that form, and we're even going to provide a separate real-world example with step-by-step instructions that you can follow along with as you prepare your own Form 1120H. So what do you want? Do you want your HOAs to stay compliant with tax rules and regulations? You want to save your HOA money year after year by preparing this return yourself rather than farming it out? The professional is going to charge you hundreds of dollars to prepare it. And finally, do you want step-by-step instructions to help you prepare your Form 1120H? If you answered yes to these questions, then I very seriously encourage you to invest in Form 1120H Basic course for your organization.